Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Rafin. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can undervolt your GPU, which is AMD RX 6600. So let's get started. So firstly, I'm going to talk about the undervolting part, like what are the benefits of it. So that the advantages are, let's have a look here. As you can see, it reduces the voltage to the GPU and it also maintains performance while decreasing the heat and the power consumption. So I can consider that less heat is equal to better GPU health, right? So now how would you be able to do that? First of all, go to your AMD software, Adrenaline Edition. Now go to your performance section, click here. Now jump to your tuning section. Now here you can set your GPU tuning to default or undervolt GPU or overclock GPU, but I'm gonna do it custom, like we're gonna manually tune it. Okay, then select to custom. Now enable your GPU tuning first. After you have enabled it, you have to enable your advanced control tool. Now in this minimum frequency section, you have to set it to 2200. Okay, then click enter. Now you can leave your max frequency to default, or you can set it between 2600 to 2700. Okay, I'm leaving it to default. Now in your voltage section, you have to set it to 1080. Click enter. Now you have to enable your VRAM tuning. Enable it and set your memory timing to fast timing. Now enable your advanced control and set your maximum frequency to 1850. Okay, click enter. Now you don't have to enable it, but enable your power tuning too, and max your power limit, like it is set to 20. Now what you have to do is apply your changes. Many of us don't do it, so it is important, like, right? Now apply changes. Okay, now you have successfully undervolt your GPU. So what you can do is you can import your GPU undervolting settings, like I have done to mine. Okay, and you can save your settings. And if you like this video, please leave a comment and sub to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.